Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am going to talk about Facebook. Facebook is the most best platform in the world. Now we are daily using Facebook for 3 or 4 hours every day, and Facebook was made by Zuckerberg, and first time Facebook uh, name was Facebook, and now its name is Meta. They changed this name 2021, and they has given the name is Meta, but now everyone knows this name Facebook. They call everyone called Facebook, but nowadays Facebook has changed the name, and they has given the name is Meta. And however, Facebook is first made for Harvard University student, but nowadays it is very popular platform for everyone. We can easily communicate for other person use Facebook. We can share our picture, we can share our emotion use Facebook easily. We can communicate other person use Facebook very easily. We can talk with other person who live in abroad. We can easily talk use Facebook, and there have lots of good opportunity for use Facebook. We just create a Facebook profile, then we'll get best service for this platform. We can share our photos, we can share our videos, and we can share our location, we can share our everything. We can share our a memorable day in Facebook. If you went anywhere, or if you want to go anywhere, you need to make memorable this day. But Facebook has given this chance for memorable this day, to make memorable this day. There have lots of opportunity to share your video, your feelings, your picture. If you share this video, they will save for lifetime. You can see after when you will be age 20, 60 or 70, when you will be uh, 60 years old. That time you can see easily. Facebook have lots of good opportunity, and Facebook has some problem for some person. Facebook, we should avoid this problem. If I want to talk about this problem, firstly I need to describe Facebook problem. We waste many of time in Facebook. We just saw video, and we just think it's good, but it's not good. We watched many funny video in Facebook, but it's not good. We can use Facebook for learning, we can use for educational site. There are lots of site for education, and there is the best opportunity for a student. If you want to know about anything, if you want to communicate your type of student, that's mean I am a BBA student. If I want to talk about BBA student, I just need to join a group. There have lots of opportunity to talk there. There have group. Facebook made this group, and when I join this group, there have lots of person. If I post anything, any problem, they will contact with me, and they will solve this problem easily. I had a problem, and I just joined Facebook group, and I just post a problem, and not one, 3 or 4 person has knocked me, and they just know me what is your problem. And when I told them it's my problem, they has tried to solve me. But now I am feel good, because this problem I solved from the Facebook group. And if I want to talk about Facebook Marketplace, there have a new option. The Facebook create this option 2023 for marketplace. If you want to sell your product, if you want to sell your used product or new product, you can sell it easily. There have a place for sell your product and sell your everything. You can sell your everything. I have lots of experience for sell this, because I have a shop and I just use Facebook Marketplace for selling my product. And if you want to talk about our what is the benefit for our country people, Facebook. If I talk about for businessmen, there have lots of businessmen in our country. Lots of businessmen, they are different on just Facebook. They just made video. They just make video for and publish the video on Facebook, and they can collect their audience from Facebook. They can easily collect their Facebook. They can collect their audience from the Facebook. And if I talk about our freelancing, there have lots of options to work a good work with another country person. If I talk about Facebook promotion, you need to promotion, and they will understand your product. If you promotion your page, if you promotion your product, and the Facebook can reach for every person. Facebook show this product for every person. And if I talk about freelancer journey, they are doing freelancing and they earned money from Fiverr, from online sector, use Facebook promotion. They just worked. They just work with abroad country people. They just promotion their page and their product, and they can easily earn money. It's a good opportunity for our country person, people, also me, because I have experience for marketing and for freelancing sector. Now I know about this method, and now I know about promotion. If you need to sell any product, you can promotion your product, and Facebook will see your all people. You can easily select a good place where you want to show your product and where you want to show your product. There have lots of opportunity to select the audience. How if you want to select your audience below 18 or after 18, you can select this. And if I talk about our country Facebook problem, our country people have lots of problem, because there are shared fake news on Facebook, and our people are so emotional. They just see this news, and they are told every person. That is called bullish news, and that is not good. And they are waste many of time use Facebook. They couldn't learn anything. They won't learn anything. Just they are waste their time on Facebook. But if you use Facebook for proper way, you can learn many things from Facebook. You need to use Facebook for good way. And now Facebook is best platform, and Facebook bought WhatsApp 2012, and Facebook also bought Instagram 2014. That time Facebook was viral when they bought Instagram and WhatsApp both together. And nowadays there have millions of people, they are using Facebook. It's the best platform in for my opinion, because everyone now use Facebook, and they are learn anything, they are know everything, and it's good for our daily life, and we used it for our daily life. Thank you very much for listen my Bible. I will talk again another topic. Thank you.